This video explains how to measure for curtains. You will need a steep tape measure, which is generally more accurate than a wooden ruler or a cloth tape measure, a notepad, a pencil. You may need a step ladder. Measure the total length of your track or pole that the curtains will be covering, not just the window itself. If the track is one piece, simply measure the length as shown. Some tracks have a center overlap. If so, measure it separately and add it to your end-to-end measurement. Poles, however, just need the width measuring, not taking any decorative end finial pieces into consideration. Again, if there is a center overlap attachment, add it. Remember, the measurement you take here is always your total pole or track width that your curtain will be covering. If you have not yet fitted your pole or track, then you can calculate your total width size by measuring your window opening and then adding an overhang allowance for each side. The overhang should be a minimum of 15 to 20 centimeters each side. But the wider the window, the greater overhang should be to allow the curtain to hang off the glass when drawn back. We make the allowances for the fullness and gather calculated from the track or pole size ends. Now you can measure the finished drop. For a pencil pleat or a pinch pleat heading, measure from the top of the track or from the small eye on the ring of the pole to approximately 15 to 20 centimeters below the window sill, or just 1.5 centimeters above the floor. This is your finished hem-to-hem drop. For an eyelight heading, measure from the top of the pole to approximately 15 to 20 centimeters below the window sill, depending where you want the curtain to hang, or 1.5 centimeters above the floor. Approximated 3 centimeters of curtain will be added above the eyelight to stand above the pole. This does not affect the hanging length of the curtains, but creates a finished look. You don't need to account for the addition 3 centimeters in your measurement. If ordering from Essential Shades, we do it for you. This is your finished top of pole to hem drop. If your pole or track is not fitted, remember to allow 10 to 15 centimeters above your window plus the distance you wish the curtain to hang below. You can of course use your best judgment for where you want your curtain to drop to end. But we always recommend they hang clear of any obstructions. It is easy when you do it the Essential Shades way.